For creating a YouTube channel, first you have to go to YouTube. You have to click on sign in. Then give your Gmail address in this field. I already given. Type here your Gmail password and click next. Then you will see a new window and click on it. Then click create a channel and get started. There are two options. If you use your name, so first one, and brand name for second one. I'll go for the second one. Type here your channel name. Click it, then click create. There is a phone number option. I will give my phone number and select message option. Google will send 6 digit verification code in this mobile number right now. So click continue and give your verification code and click continue. Okay, beautiful viewers, you can see this channel has been created finally. You can upload a profile picture. You can add your channel description. Actually, I will set up later for this reason. So I click it and this is a new channel. And you can see that this is a new channel. Okay, that's for all now. Thanks for watching this video. See you next with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.